Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm making this video after quite some time now. We are at Pune Kartdrome. This is one of the newer tracks in Pune. So just thought of coming and trying it out. How is it? I'm standing right now in the middle of pit lane is on this side. We are standing between turns 1 and 2, I suppose. This is the far end of the track. And there's a huge group of enthusiasts now going around the tracks. I have got my ticket now. I am in the waiting list. So the tariff is 450 rupees for 5 minutes and 650 rupees for 10 minutes. The tickets are time based here, and I've heard that they also count your lap times. I'm not sure about that. We'll get to know that only once we are in the cart. So let's wait for our turn.
Mama! Mama!
हाँ खेलो ना couple of laps. A lot of standing over here. Surface is concrete. On top of that, we have some water. The conditions of water are slippery now. People are sliding around badly. Let's punch it. Try to push a bit. Got a yellow.
So I'm back home after that karting session. So when my session ended, I just came out and boom, I did not shoot anything, nothing about the track, nothing about the karts. Why? Because of the two reasons. I was totally drenched and I was too hungry after that session. I waited for quite some time for me to enter the track, and then I was put along with 8 9 guys. They were together in a group, and by the time I shot the intro video for this, it was nice and bright out there. But then we had shower of rain for quite some time, which almost dampened the track. So there was a lot of standing water on the track, and people were just sliding around. It was a fun session though. I drove there for the first time, and in the mixed conditions on the concrete surface, it was quite enjoyable time for me. So talking about the track, there are a lot of hairpin turns in this track. You have to brake a lot, and then you have to be early on the throttle, to gain time out of the hairpins. Then there are a couple of fast turns and some straights, followed by a hairpin at their end, which gives you good opportunity to overtake if there's anyone else on the track. I enjoyed passing few guys. There were a couple of incidents on track, but yeah, that's fine. Given the conditions and the carts all were on slick tires, it was a fun session. So whatever the conditions are, the track is quite enjoyable. If you're in a group of say at least 5 or 6, you're going to have a gala time out there. I would suggest you to go for a 10-minute session, and I'm sure there will be at least some overtakes between you guys when you visit the track. So I'll be posting the location of the track in the description below. Make sure you go there, check out how the track is, do few sessions, have fun with your mates. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.